Steps for removing the rear wheel.
We are at this end of the motor line. Pull out the plug line. After pulling it out, we can see that the motor line is here. Then we pull the line. Then we push the wire in along this tube. Then let this wire come out. After it comes out, we unplug this connection. And now after the motor wire plug is unplugged, we take it out. Because we had this car in our hands, there is no protective bar installed. We need to remove the protective bar first. The tool used now is an M-wall wrench. It needs to be removed at this position. Well, this one doesn't have it. Let me demonstrate it here. After removing it, you also need to remove the screws of the rear flower stand. Also use the M-wall handle. Then after removing it, we pull the wire out of it. Be careful not to scratch the wire when pulling it out. Then remove this. Remove the plugs on both sides. Then this mud plate here. We also need to loosen it, because it will be inconvenient to remove it. After disassembling, we need to use a 19 毫米 unopened end wrench. Loosen the screws on both sides. We will flush this screw. No need. After dismantling, just flush half of it, then the other side is the same. Then we loosened it on our side as well. Also loosened half of it. And now we hold the shifter with one hand. Rear shifter. One hand holding a wheel.